Oh hi, in this video clip I'd like to show you how to import, let's say, JPEG images into SolidWorks and use them for reverse engineering projects. For example, for your bracket. So first of all, I've constructed two rectangles approximately the size I'm expecting my bracket to be. One is on the front plane, that will be my front elevation or back elevation, and the other on the right plane, that's my side elevation there. So I'm going to project two images today. So first I'm going to select the front plane, okay, go into sketch mode, and then go to Tools, Sketch Tools, Sketch Picture. And then I'm going to select one of my images. And first of all, I'm going to look at this image here, at the back of my bracket. I'm going to concentrate on that first. And as you can see, what I've done is crop my images that I've taken with my camera, actually. But you're going to realize that there's a lot of perspective. The lens of the camera or iPhone distort the image, and we'll see that really does cause some problems within SolidWorks. But so let's insert this one and we'll see what happens. Okay, so there we go. The first thing you will notice as we insert this in is that it's oversized. But I'm keeping my lock aspect ratio and enable scale tool on. So I'm going to change one of the dimensions, the width. I'm going to change that to 2. And then I'm going to come back in and just change that slightly. There we go. And I'm going to readjust as well. There. And here. There we go. Okay. So roughly my width is 2 inches and my height is 2.5 inches. That's looking pretty good. In fact, I might have to adjust the angle slightly. And I'm going to do that by changing the degrees to plus 0.5. There we go. That's looking very good. And I'm going to use that now for my sketch. So now what I can do is continue on the on this plane and just tend to draw my outline for my bracket and include the holes. What I can also do, of course, is go to the right plane now. So I'm going to exit sketch and go to the right plane. Here we go. I'm going to sketch, insert, tools, sketch tools, sketch picture. And I'm going to select this image this time. Again, it's suffering from the same problem, so I'm going to change to 1.5. Okay, it's looking good. Now I'm going to just bring that in. Okay. And I'm going to adjust my height. Zoom in there. Okay, so right away I can see that I really wasn't very good taking this picture. So I'm going to have to do some adjusting here. And as you can see, I'm kind of fixing on the origin. And now I'm going to change my angle to probably 2 degrees. There we go. So I can do this. That's perfectly okay. And then I'm going to do that. And as you can see, I'm still a little off there, so maybe I'll change that to 1.5. There we go. So as you can see, though, there's a certain amount of perspective, particularly when you're taking macro or micro images, so very small or very large images, then the distortion of the lens can be quite considerable. As you can see, this perspective, as I'm looking down on my bracket, has kind of reduced the height. Now you can take that into account by adjusting one of the sides here to a certain degree, but it still becomes a little bit problematic. So that's the end of this video clip. I hope this gives you some idea in terms of your reverse engineering project. Thanks.